Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So you're thinking about possibly, maybe getting an electric pressure washer, and you're curious if they're worth it or if they're not as good as a gasoline option. Well, I spent most of my morning in the woods, splashing around in the mud puddles, climbing over rocks and stuff with the old XJ back here. So it's got quite a bit of caked on crap. Let's find out how this Greenworks electric pressure washer does against that. So yeah, looks to me like the electric pressure washer does a pretty darn good job. The pressure on this one is rated at 1950 PSI, which is pretty good for an around the house, wash the cars, clean the house kind of thing. I don't think you're gonna be stripping a whole lot of paint with it, but it seems to do a pretty good job. The fact that it's electric just means I don't have to go get gas. It's only gonna go as far as the water hose is anyway, so plugging it into the house doesn't make much difference. And if you guys got anything out of this video, why don't you go ahead and hit the little thumbs up there and take a look around. You might find some other videos you'd like to watch. Till then, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.